Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! That one's blue! That one is red, Tabs. Oh, and that one is green. I wonder, why are fireworks different colors? Great idea, Tabs. Let's go investigate. I'm gonna need helicopter blades and a grabber arm.
Helicopter blades, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure.
Oh, no. Never get too close to fireworks. Be safe. Give them some space.
Okay. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We were just wondering how fireworks get their colors.
Hi, I'm Penny. I'll spin you a tale all about it. Whee! First, you have to know that fireworks are little rockets filled with black powder, which burns fast and sends the fireworks as high as 1,000 feet into the air.
Whoa, that's pretty high. Good idea, Tabs. Let's get a better look at the fireworks in the sky. Will you join me in the Blippi-mobile, Penny?
Sure.
Whoa! Great!
Even in the air, remember to stay safe and give them space.
So colorful!
Packed into the top of the firework are metal salts called stars. Just like different foods have different flavors when you eat them, different metal salts burn different colors when you ignite them.
Watch out! Here comes another one, Tabs! Tabs, are you okay? I told you, stay safe and give them space.
We should get down to the ground or we'll all miss the big ending.
You're right, let's go!
Here it comes, the grand finale!
Whoa!
Look at that!
What an amazing show! And now I have the answer to my question. Why are fireworks different colors? Fireworks are different colors because of the different metal salts they burn. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Penny.
Bye, Blippi. Always stay colorful.
I don't think your guitar is working right, Debo. I wonder, how does a guitar work? You're right, Debo. Let's go find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure.
Rock and rolla! That sounded great. I love it. Thank you.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
I'm picky.
We were wondering how a guitar works. Can you show us?
I can, but I can't work the guitar by myself. I'll need your help to play it right.
Okay.
When I pick a string, it goes goes back and forth really fast, which makes a note.
Whoa! You're right, D.A.B.B.S. My string is much thicker than yours. I bet it's harder to balance for you.
The faster the string goes back and forth, the higher the note.
How do you make other notes on a guitar?
That's why I needed your help. Hey, D.A.B.B.S, could you move towards the far end of the neck, mate? Now back towards me. Solo!
Well, that explains how different notes are made. Why does the guitar have such a big body?
That's the part that makes it loud. Thank you. Hey, come stand over here on the soundboard.
We're going up and down, too!
When I pluck the string, the whole guitar body vibrates, and the sound hole there makes it super loud, like shouting while cupping your hands over your mouth.
Hello! Wow! That was loud!
Right! Practice is over. Time to jam! 1, 2, 3, 4!
Thank you! And now I have the answer to my question. How does a guitar work? Guitars work because the strings vibrate and make sound, which is made louder by causing the whole hollow guitar body to vibrate. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.S. Bye-bye, Picky.
Bye, Blippi. Bye, D.A.B.B.S. Remember to always keep rocking.
You look like a fireman. Now you look like a construction worker. You're a natural cowboy, D.A.B.B.S. I wonder, what is it like to be a cowboy? Let's find out. I'm gonna need a grabber arm.
Grabber arm confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Hey! Do you know any cowboys?
Whoa there! Howdy, I'm Hampton the Horse. What brings you two down to these parts?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.S. We're here to learn what it's like to be a cowboy.
Well, you certainly rode into the right range. Giddy up! But first, we've got to get you looking the part.
All right.
I see you got your hat on, partner. Looking good. Here, Blippi, grab yourself a hat and a bandana. See, cowboys wear these wide-brimmed hats to protect themselves from the sun and the rain.
Ah, much better.
Now you looking good.
Yeah, cowboy.
But they're also useful for gathering water when you need a drink.
Cool. Woo. Whoa. Uh-oh. Whoopsie.
Cowboy hats are also good for moving a cow in the right direction. Here, Here you go. Here you go.
Hey!
No worries there, Blippi. Being a cowboy is so much more than just having the right clothes.
Like what?
Riding horses is a big part of the job. It's how cowboys got around before cars, and it allows us to herd cattle without scaring. Hop on.
Let's ride! Yeehaw! Maybe we should slow down. Oh, I think I'll stick to the Blippi Mobile.
That's actually perfect, since we have loose cattle to wrangle. We gotta spread out and move in the direction we want the cows to go, toward the pen.
Yeehaw! Yeah!
Ah! Let's get a wiggle on. That means let's go.
Yeehaw!
Yippee! Well done, Blippi. You wrangled those cows like a real cowboy.
Being a cowboy is hard work.
Sure is. But it makes the day worthwhile.
Yeah, thanks for helping me find the answer to my question. Cowboys wear big hats, ride horses, and wrangle cattle. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for making us feel at home on the range.
Anytime, City Slicker.
Yeehaw! Phew, it's so hot out today, but my popsicle is melting down my hand. I wonder, why do popsicles melt down my hand? What's that, Tabs? Go into that ice cream truck and ask an expert? That's a great idea. I'm gonna need wings, the excavator arm, and duck feet.
Wings, excavator arm, duck feet, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why my popsicle always melts down my hand. Shrinking down! Woohoo! I'm in the ice cream truck.
Hi, welcome to my neighborhood. I'm Sherry Pop. Glad you popped in.
Hi, Sherry. It's me, Blippi. I was wondering why my popsicle always melts down my hand.
Oh, I know that one. But first, let's have some frozen fun.
All right. Woohoo! We're ice cream boarding.
We're sprinkle sliding.
I'm chocolate fudge snorkeling. Sherry, are you melting?
Yes, I'm melting because I'm very warm. But I'll go cool off in the freezer and I'll be fine in a sec. Ice cold.
How's it going in there, Sherry?
It's freezy breezy. Now I'm all set.
Whoa, it looks super freezing in there.
Yup, it's cool to be cold when you're a frozen dessert like me. My ideal temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. If I keep cool like that, then I won't melt.
Good to know. I see you're like my popsicle from earlier. When it was out of the freezer and in the heat of the Blippi Mobile, it melted on me.
Sounds like your popsicle should have come for a visit.
You're right. Which means we have the answer to my question. Why my popsicle melts down in my hand. It's because popsicles will melt if they get too warm. That's why we keep them in the freezer. Upload answer, Tabs. Sherry, thank you for a totally tasty adventure. It was so cool.
Stay cool, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, Tabs, that bouncy castle is out of this world. I wonder, what would it be like to bounce on the moon? Great idea, Tabs. We can go to the moon and find out. I'm gonna need a rocket booster, excavator arm, and frog legs.
Jets, excavator arm, frog legs, confirmed.
Okay, let's go explore. The Blippi Mobile is ready to blast off for adventure. And there's the moon! Yeah! Okay, time to land.
Hey, that tickles!
Who are you?
My name's Rocky the Moon Rock because, I'm a rock.
Hey, Rocky. It's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're here to find out what it's like to bounce on the moon.
I never tried it myself, being a rock, but let me see if I can just get
All right, then let's bounce.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. I'm light as a feather up here. I never knew I could have been having so much fun.
Woohoo! It's amazing that we're staying up here this long. Why does it take so long to float down?
Because of gravity. It's the invisible force that keeps your moon boots on the ground. It pulls things back down. But, there's way less gravity around the moon than on Earth because the moon is so much smaller.
That's why we float for so long. I have the answer to my question. What would it be like to bounce on the moon? It's so fun, and the bounces are really big because there's less gravity on the moon than there is on Earth. Upload answer tabs. We feel like we're floating, but gravity is slowly pulling us back down.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Thanks for the greatest time that I, Rocky the Moon Rock, ever had.
Bye, Rocky!
Keep on bouncing, Blippi!
Whoa! I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, Debo? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, Debo. I'm Barb the Chocolate Bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny-weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, Debo, time to ski. No? But it'll be fun. It's Chocolate Bar Debo.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready. Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike. And I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime. Bye, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Last one to splash has to take out the trash. Wait, worms! Whoa, whoa, whoa! I wonder, why do worms come out in the rain? I'm gonna need pontoons and the excavator arm.
Pontoons, Excavator arm confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. La 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 la! Ooh, what's that? La 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 la! Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.S.
Oh, hi, I'm Wave the Worm, and I love singing. Everybody join in. I wish I could find another worm I could sing with. Well, I'd ask you, but you're not worms. But hey, enough about me. What can I do for you?
We were wondering why worms come up from underground when it rains.
There are 3 reasons. Follow me. Worm dive.
Whoa! Yeah! It sounds like something's digging down. It's getting closer.
Don't worry, that's just the raindrops hitting the ground above and sending vibrations down. But to us worms, it sounds like a predator trying to dig down and get us. So that's one reason we go topside.
Whoa!
Blood!
Wave? Hello?
La 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 la.
You're right, D.A.B.B.S. That does look like fun.
Whee! Reason number 2. When it rains, we worms can move around on the ground much faster.
That's right, D.A.B.B.S. Wave did say there are 3 reasons why worms come out in the rain. What's the 3rd reason, Wave?
3rd reason? Oh, that's right. Number 3, to find a friend.
I love the rain.
I love the rain too.
We love the rain.
Wave! You found a friend who loves to sing just like you! And now I have the answer to my question. Why do worms come out in the rain? Worms come out in the rain because the raindrop vibrations sound like predators. They can travel more quickly when it's wet and to find a special friend. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.S.
Goodbye, Blippi. Goodbye, D.A.B.B.S.
La 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 la.
Bye-bye, Wave. Thanks for all your help.
Rawr, rawr.
You're right, D.A.B.B.S. It would be fun to have a dinosaur as a pet. I wonder, would a dinosaur make a good pet? Good thinking. We'll go back in time to find out. I'm gonna need the grabber arm and monster truck wheels.
Grabber arm, monster truck wheels confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. That's right, we're in the Cretaceous period. Millions of years ago when the Earth was filled with dinosaurs! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.S.
Hi there, Blippi. I'm Tina, the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Hi, Tina. We were wondering, would a dinosaur make a good pet? An animal that you love and care for.
Wow, being a pet sounds amazing. Maybe I could be your pet for the day.
Can you drop D.A.B.B.S, please? D.A.B.B.S made of metal, and we don't want you to break a tooth. Good, Dino.
We sure do have sharp teeth. I use mine to eat.
Whoa, do you eat a lot? Feeding is an important part of having a pet.
I can bite off 500 pounds of food in one chomp.
That's a lot more than I have here. Let's try a trick. Great idea, Debo. Ugh. Go fetch, Tina. Whoa!
Whoopsies. Sometimes I forget my size. Us T-Rexes can be as tall as 12 feet high and up to 40 feet long.
Wow, that's so big. Hey, let's go for a walk, Tina. Whoa! Look at all of those teeth. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Something tells me that's not how a walk is supposed to go.
We gave it a try, but I'm not sure if dinosaurs are meant to be pets.
I think you're right. We're meant to rule the jungle.
Yep, and you helped find the answer to my question. Would a dinosaur make a good pet? Dinosaurs are big, have lots of teeth, need room to roam, and eat a lot. So they might not be good pets, but it's still fun to imagine. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Tina.
Bye. Come back in time. Anytime.
Woo. Wow, that bee sure seems busy. And so does that one. And that one too. They're all so busy. Well, except that one. Those bees are busy making honey. I wonder, how do bees make honey? Yes, let's go into the beehive. I'm gonna need wings and the excavator arm.
Wings, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Now, we just need to make like a bee and be tinier. Shrinking down. You're right, Tabs. The bee's tongue is in the flower. Hey, it's me, Blippi. This is Tabs. I was wondering how you make honey.
Hey, Blippi. I'm Bijan. Honey, huh? This is the place to be. So I'm using my tongue to drink in this sweet nectar. It's how we bees start to make honey. Okay, time to buzz. Into the beehive. Follow me. Spoiler, lots of bees working. It's like a honey factory in there.
Bijan, are they all chewing nectar?
Sure are. Gotta chew, that's what we do. Chewing makes it thicker. Can't have runny honey. I rhymed again.
And after you chew, then you have honey?
No, there's more to show. We chew, then we swallow. The nectar stays in our bellies, becomes honey, then we put it in the honeycomb.
The honeycomb?
Yep, we store the honey in the honeycomb.
Maybe I can taste some honey.
Oh dear. This may look funny, but flapping our wings is how we make thicker honey. It's a bee thing.
Whoa! Yes, Tabs, I have the answer to my question. How do bees make honey? They get nectar from flowers, chew it, store it in their stomachs, then put the honey in a honeycomb and flap their wings over it. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Bijan. Thanks for being you.
Bye!
Woo-hoo! Yeah! You're right, Debo. This is a Kangaroo Crossing, and we are in Australia. So, I guess you never know when a kangaroo might... Whoa! Bounce in! Wow! What a spectacular jump! I wonder, how high can a kangaroo jump? Great idea! We'll go ask that kangaroo. I'm gonna need frog legs for this adventure.
Frog legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. We're in the outback, so let's go find a kangaroo.
Hi there, I'm Rooney. What brings you to these parts in your cool-looking car?
Hi, Rooney. It's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We wanted to see how high a kangaroo can jump.
Pleasure to meet ya. Well, I can jump as high as your mobile here, but I can jump higher.
Whoa! Rooney's hopping pretty high and super fast.
You're pretty fast yourself. You up for a little race, Blippi?
Sounds fun.
All right, let's race around that big sandstone rock down there. We call it Uluru, or Ayers Rock. It's the heart of Australia.
Whoa! So cool!
And the first bag here wins.
You're on, Rooney.
By the way, there may be a fence or two in the way.
Good to know.
Come on, Blippi, up to it. Careful, this fence is 6 feet tall. Good jump. Ready to go even higher?
Yeah!
How about a 10-footer?
Whoa!
Yeah! Woohoo!
To the best jumper we've ever seen! And now I have the answer to my question. How high can a kangaroo jump? Kangaroos can jump up to 10 feet off the ground. Upload answer, Debo.
That was fun, Blippi. Whew, gotta cool down. That's why I'm licking my arm. It's a kangaroo thing. Bye.
Bye-bye! Salad. Oh, thanks, Tabs. Didn't know this lettuce was stuck in my teeth. I guess a toothbrush would help. I wonder, how do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? Great idea! We can go meet a toothbrush in a mouth. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings, confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. It's time to shrink down and go into a mouth. Shrinking down! We're inside a mouth. You're right, Tabs. We need a way to clean these teeth.
Would a brush help? Hi, I'm Bill Brushy. And you are?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. I want to find out how to use a toothbrush to clean teeth.
Well, you're asking the right brush. Hop on, and I'll show you the best way to clean your teeth.
All right. Hey, Bill Brushy, is that toothpaste on your brush part?
Yes, sir. It helps keep teeth healthy and food-free. Okay, now here's how to brush your teeth. Let's go to the front first. So, small circles on every tooth.
Whoa!
Okay, that's the front done. Let's go to the back now.
We turned, we flipped.
Little circles round and round.
All right, let's make some more. Circles, circles, circles.
These teeth are the molars. I call them the chew crew, since they do most of the work.
I know, Tabs. Toothbrushing is a wild ride. Wow! I think I have the answer to my question. How do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? It cleans by brushing the front, back, and in between of all teeth in little circle motions. And that pushes all the food out from between the teeth and makes them nice and clean. Upload answer tabs.
Thanks for your help, Blippi and Tabs. Remember to brush twice a day for 2 minutes each time for super sparkling teeth.
We will. Thanks for letting us ride along, Brushy. Bye-bye. Ready, Debo? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's not quite what I envisioned. I wish I could make a few changes. Oh yeah, I can use an eraser. I wonder, how does an eraser work? Great idea, Debo. We'll shrink down and get a closer look. I'm gonna need a grabber arm and helicopter blades.
Grabber arm, helicopter blades, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Even up close, it sure does need some changes.
Maybe I can help. Huh? I am the amazing Ernie!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're here to learn how an eraser works.
Well, you came to the right eraser because I can make anything disappear. Even pencil markings.
That's amazing!
Come see, it's the best show in town! The tip of a pencil is made of graphite, and when you rub it on paper, it leaves a mark.
Cool! Let's take a closer look through a magnifying glass.
Graphite gets left behind on the paper because it actually sticks to the paper.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh no! I got it! Phew! That was close!
Sorry about that.
Whoa! Hey, Ernie, can you erase this graphite mark?
Oh, what a great idea! I will make that mark disappear by erasing it. When an eraser like me rubs against the paper, it creates friction and heat.
Awesome!
The heat makes the eraser stickier than the paper, so the graphite comes loose from the paper and sticks to the eraser instead. Friction also causes the eraser to disintegrate or fall apart. See the small bits coming off?
You've got a few on you.
Oh, they're cute. Rub the eraser on the paper enough, and boy, oh boy, the graphite comes off. Ta-da! My disappearing act.
That's amazing! Was it magic?
No, it's science.
Cool! And I got the answer to my question. How does an eraser work? Erasers work by using friction to make them stickier than paper, so the graphite on the paper clings to the eraser. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for the magic show, Ernie. Now it's time for us to disappear.
Goodbye, Blippi. It was magic to meet you.
Whoa, Tabs! Look at this amazing rainforest. You're right. I bet all kinds of interesting animals are in there. I wonder, what kind of animals live in a rainforest? I'm gonna need spider legs and the grabber arm.
Spider legs, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! This place is so green! They must get a lot of rain here.
Yes, we do actually.
Hey! It's me, Blippi. This is Tabs.
Hello, I'm Bi, the giant panda bear. Glad to meet you.
We want to know what kind of animals live in a rainforest. Can you show us around?
Yes, okay, but I am meeting my sister for lunch and I'm always late, so I'd like to be there first for once.
We won't be long.
Super! Let's go see what we can find.
Yeah! Thanks, Bi.
I do get a little hungry before lunch, so could you help me collect some bamboo on the way? Just for a snack.
Sure. Whoa! This bamboo is as tall as a house.
The juiciest shoots are at the top. Would you mind?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Lovely!
Whoa, look! There's a monkey.
He's a golden monkey. Hi, Fred. Sorry, Fred. All pandas love bamboo. It's all we ever eat, actually.
Not even ice cream?
Not even ice cream, unless it was bamboo flavor. Could you get me a little more bamboo? All this chewing makes me terribly hungry.
Sure thing.
There's a nice stalk just there.
Whoa! Little red bugs.
Oh, it's Reese and Fiona. They're red bamboo weevils.
Hi, buggies.
Oh no! I'm going to be late again. Sorry, we need to go. Oh, not again. I'm sorry, but I was helping my new friends Blippi and Tabs.
Hello.
Could I possibly share some of your bamboo, please?
Thanks for the tour, Bi. You really helped me answer my question. What kind of animals live in the rainforest? Golden monkeys, red beetles, and giant panda bears who love eating bamboo. Upload answer, Tabs. I think it's time for a snack of our own. See you later. Bye-bye, Bi. Whoa! Bouncy sand dune! And even bouncier! Wow, what an amazing sandcastle! Wave incoming! Oh no! Looks like that castle was no match for that wave. Huh, I wonder, can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? Yeah, you're right, Tabs. There is only one way to find out. I need to build a sandcastle on my own. I'm gonna need the excavator arm and spider legs.
Excavator arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for action. Let's go make a sandcastle that won't get washed away. Now we need to make ourselves sandcastle size. Shrinking down. Feel that cool ocean breeze, Tabs. Whoa!
Hi there, I'm Krabby the Crab. Pleasure to meet you. Ooh, crikey, I don't know my own strength.
Hi, Krabby. It's me, Blippi. And this is my Blippi-mobile.
I love it. So, you out taking a fun ride?
Actually, Krabby, I'm here because I'm curious if I can build a sandcastle that won't get washed away.
You came to the right crab. I'm a planner, digger, and a builder. I can help you, Blippi.
Great.
So the first thing we're gonna do is build a moat. That's a fancy word for a hole. You see, the water goes into the hole and doesn't wash away what's behind it. So, let's dig. Dig, 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 dig. Woo!
Wow, what a hole!
Now let's build a sandcastle.
You're right, Tabs. We are gonna need a shovel.
Finished! Success!
You already built it, Krabby.
And our moat is perfect. The moat's the hole we dug all around the sandcastle.
Great moat! And best sandcastle ever. Wave incoming! The moat worked, Krabby. This means I think I have the answer to my question. Can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? I can by making a hole around it to catch the water. Upload answer tabs. Thanks, Krabby.
See you later, Blippi. Keep on digging.
Hey, it's a garbage truck. I can see it and smell it too. Wow, Tabs, even you think it's stinky. And you're a robot. Wait, where's that buzzing sound coming from? Oh, flies! Hey, those flies just flew into the garbage truck. I wonder, why do flies love garbage? Good idea, Tabs. We can go into the garbage truck to find out the answer. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why flies love garbage. Shrinking down! Hold your breath, Tabs. We're going in. I'm in the garbage truck.
Welcome! I'm Horace the Fly. Looks like your first time here.
Hi, Horace. It's me, Blippi. This is my first visit to a garbage truck. Little stinky, huh?
Not for me. I love smells. Follow me. I'll show you around. This place is like my playground. Whoopsies. Sorry about that.
Hey, Horace. Why do flies love garbage?
Because it's delicious and garbage makes me fly. We've got stinky beans, moldy cheese, greasy pizza boxes, and even leftover mystery mush. Oops, sorry, must have been the beans.
I could give you a ride to the nearest garden or fly restaurant. Horace! Where are you?
Everything's coming up! Garbage! Oh, was that cake? Oh, no, that was not cake. Still good, though. Gotta dash and eat all the trash.
Horace has more energy now. Aha! Which means I think I have the answer to why flies like garbage. It's because they love the smell and they find food there. That's so silly. Upload answer tabs.
Yes, sir, Blippi. For me, a garbage truck is a 24/7 all-I-can-eat restaurant.
Woohoo! Go, Horace! Thanks!
Cheers, Blippi!
Holy smokes! A volcano! That's right, Debo! When a volcano erupts, smoke and hot lava come out the top of it. I wonder, what makes a volcano erupt? Great idea! We'll go inside a volcano and find out. I'm gonna need wings, spider legs, and the heat shield.
Wings, spider legs, heat shield, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go through the side vent into the volcano. Whoa, whoa! Oh, it sure is hot in here.
Hey there, I'm Maggie the Magma Monster.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We want to learn what makes a volcano erupt.
You're in for a real treat, Blippi and Debo. Speaking of treats, below us, deep in the earth, the planet's heat is melting rocks into liquid, also known as magma.
like me.
You're right, Debo. It is like one of our favorite games. The floor is lava. Whoa!
Magma becomes lava after it erupts out of the volcano.
Whoa.
So I guess I'm the floor.
Wow! We're getting higher.
That's because the more rocks melt below, the more magma rises here in the chamber.
Hey, I wonder where this goes.
Look out, Blippi!
Magma! Phew, that was close. Maggie, you almost fill the whole cavern now.
I sure do. And as I grow, the pressure inside the volcano builds until we push through the crust or the top of the earth. Hold on! Much better.
Maggie, what a blast! And I got the answer to my question. What makes a volcano erupt? A volcano erupts when the hot magma inside it builds pressure and bursts through the surface of the earth. Upload answer, Debo.
That was fun, Blippi. Hope you loved it.
We did! Bye-bye, Maggie. Wow! That's a pretty tall mountain. I'm sure there are way taller mountains, Tabs. I wonder, what's the tallest mountain in the world? Great idea, Tabs. We'll go to the Himalayas and find out. I'm gonna need wings and the grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find the tallest mountain in the world. Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're looking for the tallest mountain.
I'm climbing it right now. Hi, I'm Betty the Yeti. I was just headed to the top. That's where the best snow is. Nothing worse than old snow.
Can I tag along? I want to see what it's like on top of the tallest mountain.
Of course, but get ready. This mountain is super tall. Woo! Ice!
We're up so high, and it's much colder up here. Thanks, Tabs. I love hot cocoa. Whoa! Woo! Gotcha. Phew, that was a close one. Hey, it's the mountaintop. Yeah, we made it. Oh, whoa, it's so windy up here.
I got you, Blippi.
So, what is the name of this mountain?
It's Tamalangma! Oh, you call it Mount Everest.
You're right, Tabs. I have the answer to my question. What's the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. It's 29,035 feet tall. Upload answer, Tabs.
And the snow up here is delicious. Snow burps.
Have a good snow snack. Bye, Betty the Yeti.
Bye, Blippi.
Oh, look at that cute little squirrel digging a hole. Did you see her bury that nut? So true, Debo. We do need to know the answer. I wonder, why do squirrels bury their nuts? I'm gonna need the excavator arm and wings.
Excavator arm, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Look, Debo! This is an acorn. It's a type of nut, and squirrels love them. Here, squirrely, squirrely. We have an acorn over here.
Nuts! Nuts! I need more nuts! I can't get enough nuts.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is my friend Debo. He found a nut for you.
Nut? Oh, thanks for the acorn, Blippi. My name is Sparky. I'm kind of a nut expert.
Then you have to tell us, Sparky. Why do squirrels bury their nuts?
What? You don't bury your nuts? Huh? Come with me. No time to waste. We need nuts, 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 and more nuts. This is the garden, my favorite place to collect and bury things. You know, I can bury 25 things an hour.
That's a lot of burying. How do you remember where you put it all?
I keep everything up here in the old furry head. My memory is amazing. You think you can remember like I can? You want to try it?
We sure do.
Okay, now watch. Okay, do you remember where I just buried all those acorns?
Of course we do. Easy peasy.
Not an acorn.
This is harder than I thought.
Hello, yummy walnut.
We can't find any acorns.
That's right, because I take special care to hide my nuts so only I can find them. That's how I keep them safe. And then I'll dig them up in the winter when I'm hungry and food is harder to find.
So cool! And I found the answer to my question. Why do squirrels bury their nuts? Squirrels bury their nuts and other things so they can eat them later and have enough food during the winter. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Sparky!
Bye-bye!
Keep